Principal, Father Ernest, our lovely teachers and our Claritin family. I'm Ms. Karu Blanco, 5th semester from the Department of Education.
And I'm Ms. Dema Molo, 5th semester from the Department of English.
All are here gathered on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day.
We welcome each member of our Claritin family on this celebration to shower our gratitude onto our teachers. To start the program first, we would like to welcome Ms. Jumsi Chege and team for their opening song.
Please give them a round of applause.
Teachers' Day is one of the most important days in the life of a student. This day is celebrated on 5th September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, who himself was a teacher and held the position of India's second president. Students are considered to be the future pillars, and teachers, you are the ones who construct those pillars in a positive way. You shape our lives in a beautiful manner through your hard work and dedication. We are happy to celebrate this day to show you how grateful we are for whatever you have done for us. It is rightly said that teachers are the candles who keep on burning and igniting our minds, which removes the darkness of ignorance from our lives. They mold us and carve us in becoming a good human beings with knowledge. They pass this knowledge with the hope that we as students will achieve success in our life and make good careers. Thus, it is our duty to make them proud, and we also need to carry forward the moral values that the teachers have taught us to the future generation. Therefore, I request all my dear brothers and sisters to not disobey your teachers, but instead follow their advice so that we can pay them back for all their hard work someday soon. Last but not the least, once again, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Perhaps it is one of the most difficult professions out there, and we appreciate all the efforts, hard work we put in to ensure that we may receive the best education possible. We are honored to have such dedicated, passionate, and knowledgeable teachers in our college. And we are proud to call all of you our teachers. Not just proud, it is our honor that we are your students. From the bottom of our hearts, we are forever grateful for everything you have done for us. We look forward to your continued guidance and support in the future. And we hope you will continue to inspire and motivate us to reach our full potential. With that being said, let's make this day a wonderful and memorable one for all of the teachers. So I would like all the students to stand up. And give a huge round of applause for all our teachers. Thank you, the master.
And so let us clap for our teachers. They are the stars of the day. So we can keep clapping as they receive the token of love given by our MLA. They are still receiving the token of love, so the claps will not stop.
Is the essence of our work, and I believe also captures the spirit of true teaching. Teaching at its core is an act of love. It is a form of charity that goes beyond the mere transfer of information. It is about nurturing, guiding, and inspiring others to reach their full potential. The role of teacher, much like that of a caregiver, is one of profound response to life. Your classroom becomes a sanctuary of learning where students are encouraged to explore, question, and grow in a safe and supportive environment. As we reflect on the legacy of Mother Teresa, we are also reminded of the importance of humility in service. She often emphasized that her work was not about seeking recognition or praise, but about serving others with humility and love. Similarly, the true reward of teaching lies not in accolades or titles, but in the quiet satisfaction of knowing that you have made a difference in the lives of the students. Your greatest achievements are seen in the successes of your students, in the ways they carry forward the lessons you have taught them, and in the positive impact they made on the world. Dear students, remember to give respect to your teachers in all circumstances. Help them to teach and guide you better by cooperating with them. Be grateful to them for their commitment and dedication. Pray for all of them, since they play a greater role in educating humanity from generation to generation. Remember your parents who are your first teachers for their great contribution in your life and pray for them. Dear teachers, on behalf of the General Manager and Provincial of the Claretians here in the Northeast, and on behalf of the management here, I sincerely acknowledge your contribution to this institution. May you continue the good work that you are doing with endless dedication and commitment in all your responsibilities. We pray for you and we will continue to pray for all of you. In conclusion, on this Teachers' Day that we celebrate together, we honor the love, dedication and compassion you bring to your work. We
But in short, you can call me Manse. Okay. Okay, this song goes out to all the students, all the wonderful, beautiful students who have made so much effort in organizing this event and also for being such a wonderful student. Yes? And also this obviously is a Teachers' Day, so thank you to all the teachers for dedicating your life and building up the next generation. Okay, if you know this song, it might not sound very good, okay, but just pretend as if it's very good, okay? Once in a lifetime concert, okay? Okay, if you know this song, please sing along with us, okay? Okay, I'm sorry. I thought
and his learned team of management, Reverend Father Ernest K., Reverend Father Denzi, Reverend Father Subodh, their esteemed colleagues, beloved Claretines, ladies and gentlemen.